So you can see my screen. Is that okay?
Yes, that's okay.
Yeah. So that's a file you sent to me. And I'm going to use the two pairs you want me to compare the P22 against the two P27. Right? So what I will do is to just start this two, and then I will load the 23 first. So you see, because you already organized this data file in this MATLAB format, it's really convenient for me just import that part. So I just select this data file and then click select 23 first. And then I start to look at the cell type. There are 9 different cell types in this sample. What I realize is there are subscript like -3, 8. Do you think they're meaningful? This 4, 3, 5. They're just labels, index.
I'm not sure because I can't see that part. I'm not sure what labels you're talking about.
Okay. Yeah, that's a problem. Let me.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think the number is too important.
It's not important at all.
No, no.
So what you can do is here in this button here.
Mm-hmm.
You can click and see, I want to rename the cell type name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can see, oh, I want to remove all the subscripts from cell type name. So if you click this, and all this subscript will be removed.
Oh, okay.
I just relabel them. So in this case, I'm going to output this into workspace. I will call this SCE, say P23. Just make a variable name. I know next time I can reload it. I know you cannot see my another desktop. I don't know why. I share the whole screen, but I have to. Yeah, so you click this. This will save this variable to the workspace. Let me share with that again. So now in this workspace, you see this object is from tree. I do have some issue with sharing. Let me do it again.
Yeah.
So what can you see? Can you see everything? Can you see
right now I can see. Yeah, I can see your desktop.
And also those
Mm-hmm.
cells. Okay, that's good. So now I can just finish this part 23. I can shut this down and then do that again for 27. So you can see this window right now, this dialog. Okay, good.
Yes.
I think it's back to normal. I load 27. And then look at the cell type. Again, I want to remove those.
Mm-hmm.
Just click this rename cell type. Let's see, get rid of them. Okay, I will export this again to the workspace. This time I name it P27. So now you have two, basically two data sets, 23, 27. Then from here, you have experiment, then you want to merge SCE, these two objects in the workspace. So there's warning message say, okay, the current right now you can see will be replaced. That's okay. So we want to replace. And then we put 23 first, 27 second. You select them and put okay. Then you can use intersect because there's so many genes.
Okay.
Okay, so this two has been merged and you can see two different colors. I believe these black cells are from 27, 23, the red cell from 27. So they merged.
Okay.
Their annotation cell type also merged. If you have the same name like EC, the same EC will be still called EC. ED, based on your original name. If it's the same name, the cells will be within the same group. At this stage, you can save to the MAT file. So I already saved this. Because next time you don't have to do the merge again.
Okay.
You can save this. So this two has been merged. And we are ready to compare. You have a list of genes. So I can open this. That's a gene you send to me. Okay. Yeah, I copy those genes. Come back to this page. Now you have a button here. So it's compare between groups. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. You click this, then you will select which group. So these two groups are the batch ID. Okay, let me just rename the batch IDs. You start from rename the batch ID. Number one is P23, renamed. Number two is 27, P27. So just will give a right name instead of 1 and 2, makes things easier. So here I come back to the compare between groups and then continue. And you select batch ID and you select, oh, I don't know why, something wrong with this for now. Give me 1 second. I have to debug this.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Some updated because well, I don't know what's wrong with this. Let me just continue and I will select batch ID. Select gene. So, I provided the gene list, and then this program should compute based on this gene list and give you the score. And then you have two groups. And this is called customized score. I show you that again. So I copied the gene list you gave to me. I click this. I select batch ID because I want to compare these two groups. And then I select define a new score. And then in the paste, I just paste the gene you gave to me, and then click OK, and select this algorithm. So this program will just compute for all the cells this score. It doesn't make sense to compute the score for all the different kind of cells. So you may want to extract different cell types.
Okay.
What I will do is from this button here first, click this button to select cell type. I know EC is major one, so I can select EC and extract, select EC. So you can look at their batch ID. So there's an EC, two categories, then you repeat this. Continue, and the batch ID and the newly defined score. So whatever score you want to give to it, you can have a synthesized gene list again. Just paste here, and then use this algorithm. So that's the violin plot I just showed you. That's what I emailed to you, and you can rename the title to whatever. What you have is a KIG Win signaling pathway, so you replace this, and you click this button to compute the difference. Yeah. It's highly significant all the time because there's so many cells.
Yeah.
But if you have a -95, this is very different. Sometimes you have -4, although looks like significant, but it's not so strongly support the difference.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this looks really good.
Yeah. For this tool you gave to me, I already built in. You don't have to define. I already set it up as a predefined. So in this step, you have a predefined cell score, and the top two. These are your two.
Okay.
I already built that in. So you don't have to. Yeah. If you need more, just give it to me. I built that in. So here you can select the cluster metabolist. Then you use this algorithm, compare these two groups. So you have to repeat this for each cell types, have enough cell.
How many cells does it need?
Different cell types. For example, you come back to this page. Then you can click this to see, okay, I want to look at the cell groups, look at the cell types, sort by size. So I know from this, I know yeah, I don't know why my Zoom is not so stable. You'll still be able to see this?
Yes.
Okay. So you have, I know I have EC cell, which have a 19,000, 1900. The next group is NSC, have the largest number. So I can extract C next. I extract NSC cell type. Select. And then look at their two groups. Looks like they have enough cells for each group. I can compare. Then I just click this comparison again. Select batch ID comparison. Then select predefined score. Then select signaling. Then you know this is a comparison between NSC cells between two groups.
Right.
Yeah, so this depends on which group cell you want to look at, which cell type. So you have to click by yourself. I cannot do what you want, but I just show you how to do it.
Oh yeah, that was great. I like seeing all the ways you could do it too. So that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that should be it. I think you answered all my questions. So yeah.
There are other options probably later you want to try. So for example, you can try batch ID again, same. You can select this like differential potency.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we have used that before to measure the stemness. You can select this. You can also maybe try some of those signatures.
Okay. Yeah, I'll definitely give those a try too.
Same idea. So you get the violin plot. You can look which high, which low. Especially this, you contains a lot of signature, including, I believe, including these two.
Mm-hmm. So
if you select this signature score, there are a long list with mouse. So curated gene set. There are just too many. I don't know which one we need. Yeah, so you can focus on some of it. Yeah, if you select, for example, lysine catabolism, then you select OK. Same way, the score will be computed and compared between two groups.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. This looks good.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
So I will. You have this recording, so we should be good.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem. So if you have any other questions, just email me. Okay.
Yep. No problem.
I will send you the link for the recordings later. Okay.
All right. Yeah.
See you later, Michael.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.